salad for dinner and sloppy joe for dinner with toasted bread. Squirrel escaped. Oh, I see her. Where is she? Maybe.
Work anyway. Stop on the way home. Yesterday was that northeaster and we have now nice snow. See? Nice snow.
Yeah. Very good for winter. It's nice and snowy. And there's water. Hello friends, today I put the salad. Salad is from lettuce, cucumber, corn, red onion, dressing, pepper, salt, and tomato. Here I have brownie. It is from this, how it's called, but Hungry Man. And I have here meat, potatoes, some vegetables, but not much. And here I have sweet potatoes that I cooked. And I'm praying still. Not much left. Let's go wrong way. Okay, bye. I have to eat.
Really still warm, come on.
Might be.
Describe my roller.
New.
Yeah, no shit, no.
$8.
Yeah, speaking of new, where's she been?
I didn't see her long time.
Why not?
She might have stopped working. Maybe she's now in
Yeah, but you got a car now.
but other place is 30 something miles.
This ain't really that.
Maybe for you. It would take me 1.5 hours to drive by back roads.
Maybe 3.
Maybe.
That's sad.
Why?
Because it takes too long.
Maybe
Should be
I-
way quicker.
Maybe soon I should start driving on highways.
Highways,
Yeah.
you would scare the shit out of me.
Why?
Because
Well, I not drive. Long time no see, ma'am. Hello friend, the outfit of the day for work. Hoodie, Victoria's Secret pink. And this sweats, Victoria's Secret pink. Columbia Newton Ridge hiking shoes, but I will change to my work shoes in work. These ones are brown with red laces. Size 10, and I wear size 9.5 or 10. So this fits good, and I have not wide but normal width. So very cute for winter. So wearing them today. Okay, bye. The glasses. Scarf from Poland. Nice, but it's still cold winter. And I'm going to walk. And still snow on the ground. These hiking shoes are comfortable. And we want winter wear. Summer we might be hot. So I'm not sure if I'm breathable. Okay, I'm going. Bye-bye.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding me. I can't see the end, but we'll see it. We're soaring on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the
Parka and cycle. Remember when we got lost?
Yeah, I was just thinking that. The poor guy gave us a ride.
Yeah.
If that was me, I would never have picked us up. You never know what could happen.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go for a walk over here or go
We
for a
can.
ride?
We can go on a walk here.
It's too cold to leave. Is there an entrance anywhere?
Yeah. We'll go for. Open.
No places to park.
Yeah, it's packed in the
Packed
middle
up.
of February because everyone swim in the lake.
It's packed up. Who's on this one?
You are hook, crooked.
Look, I'm actually perfect. If you check it out.
I don't think so.